3 psychological tricks to make you instantly more attractive. Did you know that psychology plays a huge role in attraction? There are simple but powerful tricks that can make you instantly more attractive. In this video, I'll share 3 science-backed psychological techniques to boost your dating game. Let's dive in! People tend to judge a book by its cover. If someone looks good at first glance, we automatically assume they have a great personality too. This is called the halo effect, and you can use it to your advantage. Here's how. First impressions stick, so always look clean and put together. If you're seeing someone regularly, pay attention to what they like and adjust your style accordingly. This makes you subconsciously more attractive and can help deepen your connection. Repetition is powerful. When you repeat something over and over, it sticks in people's minds. This is why advertisers use catchy slogans, and you can apply the same idea to dating. For example, if you confess your feelings or propose to someone and they don't say yes right away, don't give up immediately. By gently and consistently showing your feelings, your emotions become more familiar to them, making them more likely to accept over time. But here's the catch. Too much persistence can backfire. It's all about balance. Be consistent, but not pushy. Here's a crazy psychology fact you probably didn't know. Your face is not symmetrical. Most people show more emotion on the left side of their face. That means when you show your left side, you naturally look more expressive and attractive. So next time you're taking a selfie, chatting on a date, or just making eye contact, try tilting your head slightly to the right so they see more of your left side. A small trick, but it makes a difference. Let's recap the 3 powerful tricks to boost your attractiveness. First impressions count. Look clean, confident, and match their style. Repetition works. Express your feelings naturally, but don't overdo it. Show your left side. It makes you appear more expressive and appealing. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. More dating psychology tips coming soon. See you in the next video.